चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन बेल क्लिक करें, लाइक कमेंट शेयर करें।
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Hopscotch Kids and I am Pankri. In my Study Smart series, I made a book notebook organizer, DIY planner, multi-purpose organizer, etc. Today's video is a bit different but very useful for those who do not have a study table at home. I am going to set a study arrangement on floor and bed for online classes. But before I start my video, I want to thank my subscriber and a very dear friend of mine, Janvi Pant, for trying my DIY multi-purpose organizer. She shared her pic on my email ID. Thank you so much, Janvi. So now let's start today's video. To set up a study space on floor, find out a corner or place in your room with least disturbance. Now clean the space first. After that, you need a thick bed sheet or carpet of your choice, which you feel is comfortable for you. Sitting on floor for hours is difficult, so choose a nice cushion placement for floor. Here I have this carpet also, so I am going to use this to set up my study space. Arrange the carpet properly. After arranging the carpet, you need a small table. If you don't have table, just don't worry. You can keep things on floor also using organizer or basket. Here on my table, I have placed my multi-purpose organizer. Please click the I bar above to see how I made this. Now you need few cushions for back support. Here I am placing few cushions of my choice. After the cushions, you need a good foldable table. This small table will serve me as my study desk. My study space is ready in minutes. Now you just need your study device like your tab, mobile or laptop. Just place your device on the table and you are good to go. If you have chosen a quiet place already, then you don't need a headphone. But I use my headphones because sometimes Sparky plays around me. In order to be focused on my work, I use these headphones. Now with this quick setup, you can take your classes peacefully. Always keep a water bottle near you so that you will not end up going to kitchen for water. If you don't have this kind of organizer, you can use a basket like this, wherein you can arrange all your books and copies together. Put the basket on the table or on the floor according to your requirement. I have used two glasses to keep all my pens, pencils, etc. at one place. This basket is so big that I can easily keep my water bottle and headphones inside it as well. Make it a habit that you should keep everything back in the organizer or basket after your class is over. Fold your table and keep it aside. Put the cushions back and fold the carpet and put it inside the lower section for quick access. You can easily set up this space whenever you want. I hope you will like this arrangement. Well, it is avoidable to study on bed because bed makes us sleepy just like food makes us hungry. But if you do not have a table or during winters you cannot sit on floor, or even if you need a warm environment, you can set up a study space on bed. So let's start. Now let's set up the study space on bed. Clean the bed first. Always start by cleaning your space. Now keep your stationery inside the basket like this, or alternatively you can use the DIY organizer. Now keep it on the deck of your bed. Again here I am using a pillow for my back support, but you can completely skip this as sometimes you feel cozy with pillows. Now place your bed table on the bed. Keep your water bottle near you. Now take your device and start studying. The organizer or basket can help you keep everything organized and handy while taking online classes.
You can use this basket, or of course you can use this multi-purpose organizer to keep everything organized and near you. This setup will help you to stay focused, as you will not end up going here and there searching for things. You can design organizers as per your need and requirement. While taking online classes on bed, it is advisable to sit straight or stay focused, otherwise you will end up sleeping. Always try to keep everything on place after your class, so that you don't have to spend extra effort or time to clean your bed before bedtime. So keep things in place, fold the table and keep it beside your bed, and you are good to go.
I hope you will like the video. Share your pics if you try my DIYs on my email ID. तो ये था आज का ज्ञान। न हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान। मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू। बाय बाय।